Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone 11 is unlocked, updated, and backed up. This prevents surprises. Next, insert the physical SIM into Thetre and power on the phone so the cellular antenna registers. Then, open Settings Cellular to add an eSIM. Tap Add Cellular Plan and scan the carrier QR or use carrier activation details. Once done, label lines immediately so you can tell primary versus secondary at a glance. Once the eSIM is installed, you configure how both lines work together. This is critical. Go to Settings Cellular and assign labels like primary and secondary. This helps apps and contacts know which line to use. Next, set your default voice line and your cellular data line, and enable Allow Cellular Data Switching if you want calls to use either line when needed. Then, edit per contact settings to force a contact to use one specific line. This keeps business and personal separated. Finish by testing. Make a call, send an SMS, and use mobile data on each line to confirm functionality. If one line fails, restart the iPhone. This often forces network reprovisioning. If problems persist, check eSIM status in Settings and remove then re-add the eSIM using the QR or activation code. As a troubleshooting tip, contact your carrier with your iPhone's IMEI and eSIM IXID. They can reprovision the profile server side and resolve activation errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.